Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen and thanks so much for stopping by my channel. So today I'm going to be making egg muffins, and for me this is a perfect breakfast meal idea because you can make a bunch. I usually make about a dozen. They keep in the fridge really well and they'll last for 3 or 4 days in the fridge. And when you don't have time to make eggs, you can just pop one of those muffins in the microwave and you're good to go. So stay tuned for my egg muffin recipe. Okay, so I'm starting with half of a red pepper, half of a yellow pepper, and 1 scallion. And I'm going to chop them all up. I'm going to dice them as small as I can so that I don't have big chunks in each of the muffins. You can use regular onions here, like a red onion, that would give it a really nice sweetness. I like using red and yellow peppers instead of green because to me, green peppers are kind of bland. But it's really up to you to add the type of peppers or onions that you like here. I usually buy a bunch of spinach and keep them in my freezer, and I use them in eggs or smoothies or even in spaghetti sauce, so I have some to use here. This is about 1 cup of spinach. You can use fresh spinach here as well if you'd like. I'm roughly chopping this and then putting it aside. In a large bowl, I'm adding a dozen eggs. Now, there are 5 of us, so this will last for about 3 days, but if you're making this for less people, you can use less eggs. I'm adding half a cup of milk, and I'm using cashew milk, but you can use whatever milk you'd like. This is about 2 tablespoons of onion powder, about 2 teaspoons of salt, and about 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. And this is 1 cup of shredded white cheddar cheese. Now I'm adding the spinach, peppers, and scallion, and then I'm whisking everything together. I add milk to the mixture because it makes the eggs light and fluffy, but if you don't like the thought of milk in your eggs, you can certainly leave it out. This is a very versatile recipe, so you can add or remove anything that you want and also make substitutions. My eggs are all whisked together, and now I'm getting my muffin tins ready. I have 12 silicone muffin cups here. So I have my half a cup measuring cup, but I'm putting in a little less than half a cup in each. I really like using these ones because they remind me of spring and the eggs don't get stuck in them at all. I use these for regular muffins as well, and they come out of the cups nice and clean. I even had some leftovers, so I just made some scrambled eggs with it. So I'm putting these in the oven on 375 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. You'll know that they're done when the top is firm to the touch. Light, fluffy, and well seasoned, these egg muffins are the perfect breakfast option for the whole family. No need to buy those bland egg muffins through drive-thru. You can make your own at home that's quick, easy, and oh so tasty. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care.